Have you ever wondered what it would be like to hold the key to instant likability? Imagine walking into any room, any situation, and just clicking with people effortlessly. It might sound like magic, but it's actually psychology, a blend of subtle science and art. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful, lesser-known psychological secrets that can make anyone warm up to you almost instantly. Whether you're looking to make new friends, impress at work, or just become that person everyone loves to be around, this video is for you. Curious to see if these secrets work? Well, stick around because each one is more surprising than the last. And the last one, let's just say, it'll change the way people respond to you forever. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Mirror their body language. Let's start with something simple yet incredibly powerful: mirroring body language. Now, you might think, wait, mimic someone. Won't they notice? Actually, they won't. When you subtly mirror someone's posture, gestures, or even tone of voice, their subconscious feels like you're on the same wavelength. This is known as the chameleon effect. But here's the issue. Most people overdo it, making it obvious and awkward. Imagine someone copying your every move like a mime. That's not connection. That's creepy. Instead, keep it subtle. If they lean back, you lean back a few seconds later. If they cross their arms, do it casually. This creates a sense of synchrony and makes people feel comfortable around you. Try it during your next conversation and watch how quickly they warm up to you. Oh, and no need to bring out your inner mime artist. Trust me, a little goes a long way. 2. The power of open-ended questions. Next, let's talk about the underrated magic of open-ended questions. If you want to make someone like you instantly, get them talking about themselves. But here's the catch. It's not about asking yes or no questions. It's about inviting them to share more. Ever been in a conversation that felt like pulling teeth? Just asking, "Did you have a good day?" doesn't open up a world of connection. Instead, ask, "What was the most interesting part of your day?" Or, "What do you enjoy most about what you do?" Open-ended questions let people dive deeper, and everyone loves talking about themselves when they feel heard. By showing genuine interest, you instantly create a bond. And the next secret will take this interest up a notch. You won't want to miss it. 3. Use the compliment sandwich. Who doesn't love a compliment? But here's a twist. Instead of just throwing a compliment out there, use what I like to call the compliment sandwich. You start with a positive, then add a neutral or small critique, and finish with another positive. Now, you might think, why add any critique at all? But here's the reason. Too much flattery can come across as insincere. Ever met someone who compliments you non-stop? It can feel disingenuous. So, say you admire someone's work on a project, but suggest one small improvement, and then finish with another positive observation. This gives them respect, honesty, and admiration, which feels real and grounded. People will not only feel liked, but also respected for who they are. 4. Use their name in conversation. Ever notice how you perk up when someone says your name? It's no accident. Our names are deeply personal, and using someone's name in conversation is like giving them a gentle verbal hug. But here's where people go wrong. They overuse it, making it feel awkward. We've all experienced that one person who says our name every 2 seconds, and it starts to feel like a sales pitch. Instead, sprinkle their name in naturally, especially at key moments in the conversation. This creates a sense of connection without going overboard. Used sparingly, their name becomes a bridge to building trust and familiarity. And if you're like me and bad with names, maybe write it down somewhere discreetly. I won't tell. 5. Listen and echo back. Now, this one is powerful, active listening with a twist. When someone shares something, you respond by echoing back what they just said in your own words. It's called reflective listening, and it's incredibly validating. Imagine sharing something personal, and the person responds with, "Oh, cool." Not exactly heartwarming, right? Instead, if someone says, "I had a rough day," you might reply, "Sounds like it was really challenging. What happened?" This technique shows empathy and makes people feel truly heard, a feeling that creates lasting connections. And here's a subtle technique that builds on this. Up next. 6. Small acts of thoughtfulness. Now here's a secret. Being thoughtful in small, memorable ways can leave a big impression. Maybe they casually mention a favorite snack or a show they love, and the next time you see them, you bring it up, or even bring that snack. But most people miss these details or think they're too small to matter. The result? Missed opportunities to create moments that people remember. Noticing small things and acting on them shows you're not only listening, but that you care. It's a simple way to be thoughtful, yet it has a profound effect on how you're perceived. You don't have to make grand gestures. Small, meaningful actions often have the biggest impact. Who knew a snack could make you unforgettable? 7. Match their energy levels. Finally, one of the most subtle yet effective secrets, matching someone's energy. People are naturally drawn to those who reflect their energy back at them. If they're calm, you respond calmly. If they're enthusiastic, you match that enthusiasm. Imagine going in with high energy when someone's feeling low-key. It can feel jarring, almost like you're not on the same wavelength. Observe their mood and energy and sync yours to match. This shows that you're in tune with them and creates an unspoken sense of unity. People feel understood, even if no words are exchanged. It's like saying, "I get you," on a deeper level. So there you have it, 7 psychological secrets to make anyone like you instantly. These aren't just tricks, they're techniques that help you build authentic, meaningful connections. And remember, it's not about manipulation, it's about creating positive interactions that bring out the best in you and others. If you found this interesting, imagine what you'll learn in our next video about the untold psychology of female nature. Trust me, it's a game changer. Click here to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.